All right, good morning. It is bright and early here at Santa Claus, Indiana. It is day 2 of our theme park trip, and we are leaving the Baymont, or is it Baymont? Yeah, Baymont Inn and Suites, and we are heading to Holiday World for the early bird tour. So I'm gonna try to film what I can there, but we are really excited to kind of get the background tour of a lot of things, and we get to walk the Voyage lift hill. So that's pretty incredible, probably pretty nerve-wracking too. And we get the first ride of the day on Holiday, or on Thunderbird. So it'll be awesome. Look at this, an entirely empty parking lot here at Holiday World. So it is 7:30. Online it says the thing starts at 7:30, on our ticket it said 8. So we were taking a guess that we're gonna start with the earlier time, but we'll see. But this is really cool. I love this park. There's the legendary wooden coaster Raven. It's a lot of fun. It's extremely fun at night. And we have the entrance to Holiday World. So weird having nobody here. And there's coming. Okay, look how majestic that coaster looks.
Are you guys doing like tours like this?
This is so cool.
I believe is 164 feet tall, which makes about 308.
What's gonna be going in here?
I have absolutely no idea.
Let the enthusiasts speculate, right?
I don't know have all the questions.
I don't know to have all the questions.
The first launch wing coaster in America. The first.
So we just got done walking up the Voyage lift hill, and that was a really cool experience. Great views, such an amazing coaster as well. So I don't know where we're heading next, but this is a really cool tour so far.
Watch out for that.
Oh.
Like somebody wasn't ready. Yeah, try to cross over, but getting power. Now we've got at least every 50 foot, so we can run a 50-foot forward.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
But everything else is kiln drive lumber that we get.
Yeah.
From the lumber company.
That's cool.
Yeah, so our repair pretty much started here.
Start here?
Yeah, when we go to the old, see where we stair step it back, the tie in.
Yeah, so it's not just 2 clean sections, just
Right.
layered on top of each other.
Yeah, I mean, it's just how we tie it in. This, I mean, we redid the rest of the return traffic 4 years ago, I believe.
Okay.
You guys know what I mean by eBay wood, the hard Brazilian wood.
Oh yeah,
That's what
all that is.
this is.
Is it just the top layer or
The top 2. It's really expensive, it's really hard. We got to pre-drill everything. You can't drive nail into it. And sometimes we'll just, the rest of the steel's good, we'll cut it back and splice in a piece if we're in a real hurry.
lucky rider. All right, we just got the first public ride of the day on Thunderbird. What are your thoughts real quick?
Oh, that was amazing. I've never done a wing coaster like that, so it just feels like you're, you know, floating almost.
Yeah, front row is the best. I mean, I've ridden near the back and stuff, and front row is just great. Absolutely great.
We're at all the water park.
Until now. What's that? How big are the water mains serving the water
I couldn't tell you.
Oh, Kevin, look at that view of that roll right there.
I would say they're pretty big, but we have a guy that takes care of that.
No way to shut this.
You can leave it open, I don't care. Doesn't matter. So this here is where we do all the work on Thunderbird.
Okay.
That table out there will slide over. That door there opens up. We can back it all the way in here. Every winter, they get tore down to nothing but nuts and bolts. And get something called NDT, which they come in and they test all the welds on it. Then we put it all back together, new bearings, whatever. It's all magnet.
Yeah.
So all those little white things there are the snakes. They push off the magnets in between. That's what sends that.
It's just send a charge through it.
Yeah,
It's a magnet.
you can kind of hear it. I don't. It's probably hard for y'all when y'all are actually on it because of the thunder and all that stuff. But when maintenance does it, we do it without all the thunder and everything. And you can hear it winding up. And then,
Okay.
But this here is your control panel. This is so like that table there I was telling you, you can transfer that over.
Yeah, there's a block.
You just come up here, we put our key in here to transfer. Then we have to do ride start. It's just a little process, flipping through the buttons. Then there's a panel there that actually lets you move it over.
Okay.
It has move the storage, move the track, reverse train, forward train, e-stop.
We are doing the first ride of the day on the Voyage. Could have done on Holiday World, but Kevin said, hey, let's go do the Voyage. So of course we're gonna try front row. Haven't been on front row yet. All right, so we just got off we rode the Voyage twice. We got the first ride of the day. We front row and then third row from the back. Kevin, first time of the Voyage. Did it live up to expectations?
Yeah, that was amazing. It was probably the best wooden roller coaster I've ever been on. So it's awesome.
Yeah, it's insane. I mean, the airtime just crazy. The pace. I like the back a little bit more because it feels faster. What do you like, front or back more?
I don't know. I think I like the back a little more. It was a little bit rougher, but it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and the retracking, you can really tell. Like, it's super smooth on those areas. The early bird tour was great. That was a lot of fun. There was a little hiccup at first with some of the being able to talk to somebody in maintenance, but walking the tracks at Voyage and everything was just great. Really, really worth it. Getting to see all the maintenance areas and stuff. What do you think of the early bird tour?
That was really cool. I just ate some food, sorry. Yeah, it was really cool. It was a lot of fun kind of seeing behind the scenes.
Yeah, by the way, Ben's Pretzels, I think is what it's called. So good.
So another perk of the tour we did earlier is we got three, there we go, 3 of these that are good for up to 4 people. So essentially fast passes. And every time I've been here, the Voyage never has been that long of a wait. So we'll probably get it. We just used one for the Legend. Kevin, did you like the Legend?
It was good, yeah.
Yeah, so many laterals.
Big old right turn.
Yeah, yeah, no kidding. Now we're going to Raven to use it because the Raven's line just moves so slow and it's really long. So maybe the parking is going to be busier than we thought. But we're going to try to get one ride on Raven. And because then we're going to be driving to Cedar Point, or not Cedar Point, Kings Island. So we're going to do follow the Voyage another time, and same thing with Thunderbird.
Just got off the Raven, and these fast pass things come in handy because we did that for Raven and the Legend, and Raven's actually running 2 trains. Both times I was here last year, I'm running one, so the people sitting behind us said they only waited about 15 minutes, so it wasn't bad. I mean, I still like the Raven more than the Legend. What about you, Kev?
I like, I don't know, Raven was fun. I don't know, they're both fun. Raven was short, the lake was cool.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what to say here.
Raven's definitely the shortest of the 2 by far. But they're both great rides. All the wooden coasters here, I mean, they were still nowhere near as rough as the one we went on yesterday,
Thunderbird.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. So I think, like I said, we're gonna try to do the big ones one more time. All right, so we just got done doing Thunderbird and the Voyage again, and the Voyage is just so crazy and intense. So we're actually heading out now because we're gonna take the 3-hour drive to Kings Island. Kevin, what are your overall thoughts of this park?
I think it's a lot of fun. All the coasters are a lot of fun. Voyage, obviously, amazing. I don't think I've ever done a wooden roller coaster like that before, so that's my favorite today. Thunderbird is a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
Yeah, overall, it was great. Most of the rides didn't have too long of a wait. I'm gonna walk on some of them with the fast passes, so
yeah,
it's great.
Yeah, the early bird tour was definitely a cool thing. Definitely worth it. It's like $199 per person, so it is a little bit pricier. But I just thought that was a cool experience for us to do that neither of us had done before. Kevin, when you compare like Thunderbird to some of the rides yesterday, do you like Thunderbird more?
I don't know, it's different. My favorite one yesterday was it Thunder Run?
Lightning Run?
Lightning Run, yeah. So I mean, that was my favorite one yesterday, but it's so, they're so different, it's hard to compare.
Yeah.
So I don't know, they're both a lot of fun.
For sure. Yeah, so we're heading out of the park. A lot of really cool things with this park. They provide you with free drinks called Oasis stands. We also, one thing I wish we would have understood earlier is with the thing, we got an all-day pass, and basically after you get off your first coaster, present them with your little lanyards, and they give you these wristbands to use where you can add all the on-ride photos to your pass. So that's a pretty cool little perk they have. And you can just download them online. Yeah, now on to the 4th park of our trip, Kings Island. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stay tuned for more.